Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is going to focus on an updated Link USD analysis using the Coinbase pair. And I just want to show you guys something I posted in my Telegram chat. This is the link analysis that I posted about 2 hours ago. It's the 30-minute time frame. This was before the breakout, and I wrote how if we broke above that line, it would confirm that inverse head and shoulders pattern, and how it was really important that we're holding above the 50 moving average, which is very bullish. And we tested this moving average a couple times, and we're able to remain above it. So these are all very good signs for Link. As you guys can see, we have broken above that resistance, and so far we have closed above it, and we're holding above it. I'd like to see what happens on a higher time frame before I'm really super bullish, but right now I'm pretty bullish on Link, and everything's looking great. Also, we signaled re-entering this position in my group chat at about $1.92, and we're currently in 35% profit. So if you guys like this analysis and you want to get in on calls like this and you want to see great updates like this, make sure to join the chat. The link is down below. Let's take a look at a different time frame on this. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour time frame first. As you guys can see, also here, we are above the 50 moving average, which is a really good sign. And we also have this confirmed Adam and Eve pattern or bump and run bullish breakout. It can really go for either one of those. But either way, it's very bullish. I'm more on the side of it's a bump and run reversal breakout. And that's a very good sign. We've broken out of this resistance over here, and we're continuing upwards, probably to our previous highs around $4.80. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, I did this analysis a while ago, actually, where I showed that we were in some sort of bull flag, and we ended up breaking out of this bull flag and reaching that high of about $4.95, almost $5. We had that resistance. We had the swing top failure, which brought us all the way back down to around $1.35. Since then, we've bounced up all this way, and we're looking to break this resistance right over here. So that's where we are on the daily time frame. It's a strong resistance here that coincides with the 50 moving average. We may find some resistance here, maybe pull back a bit, but I'm still going to be holding. I wouldn't be surprised if we retest this trend line and reach probably around the $2.40 region. As you can see, we have strong support over there. This area over here is strong support. Found support here, here, and that's where the trend line is. So that it wouldn't be surprising if we move back to that zone. But we did break out of this bull flag, come back in it, and we pushed right back out of it again. So that is a really strong, very bullish sign, and that is something that I'm really glad to see. So if you guys want to see more updates on this, talked about this before, check out the Telegram down below while it's still free. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe so you can see the rest of my content as I'm producing videos on market analysis almost daily. Take care, guys.